Everyone, just doing a quick update on gold. Jeremy from Trading Safely. Here was our monthly bullish reversal that we failed at. 1362 was the level. We've now come all the way back to our yearly bullish level at 1307.8. That is a critical level for the end of the year, so make sure you keep an eye out that. If we close above that at the end of the year, then gold can go much, much higher on a long-term basis. If we zoom into the short term, look at this yellow weekly line, that's moved above price now, creating resistance. So we'd expect for gold, 1347.4 now becomes a critical weekly resistance. We are approaching the end of the quarter, and on that basis, this quarterly bullish pivot here will come into focus. Gold would need to close above this pivot at the end of the quarter, indeed above this closing quarterly level at 1325 to indicate that the trend is alive and well still in gold. What's interesting to note as well is that the current midpoint for the month of September, which is right here, has started to move above price. So we're now going to get resistance coming through at this level here, which is around 1331 level. So at the moment, we've come into support. We are creating weekly resistance. We've got monthly resistance forming at 1331. So there is a fair bit of weight on top of gold at the minute in this 1322 to 1331 zone. And really only a weekly closing back above 1347 would reignite gold. So that does open up a retest of lower. The weekly support's all the way down here at 1211. So at the weekly time frame, there is a big gap opening up. But along the way, we've obviously got our monthly support there at 1270. So I guess what we'd be looking for now is for this pink line to move up above price and create resistance, and that would be indicative of further downside in gold. So but right now we've reached the bearish pivot down there at 1308. That's often a place where the market can bounce for. I wouldn't be surprised if we came back and retested this 1320 area before low again. We still do have a valid sell in place from up here from the high, and so we'd be looking on that basis to sell any bounces into this zone right here. Chat to you tomorrow.